How to log out from Truecaller account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out Truecaller account. Now basically, if you want to log out from the Truecaller account, if you open up Truecaller here and if you tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and if you head into settings by tapping on the settings icon at the top right, you will see that there is no any option to log out of your account. You'll find various other options, but there is no any logout option. Unfortunately, Truecaller doesn't give you an option to log out, but there is a way that you can log out. What you can do is you can tap and hold on the app icon there. Once you tap and hold on the app icon, let me just tap and hold, you'll see that there is an eye icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, it'll take you into the app info. You want to head into the app info, and there scroll down below and head into storage. Under storage, you want to tap on clear data option and delete it. This will delete all your accounts, databases, and all your account. Now if I open up Truecaller, you'll find that my account is logged out. You can see, so this way you can log out Truecaller account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.